Welcome to part 84 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning how to give presentations in English. Even in your native language, presentations can be scary, but the right phrases make everything smoother. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here. Today I'd like to talk to you about... My presentation is divided into 3 parts. Feel free to ask questions at the end. Now, signposting language. These are phrases that guide your audience through the structure. Starting a new section, let's move on to... Now I'd like to turn to the topic of referring to a slide or visual. As you can see from this chart, this graph shows us that emphasizing a key point. What I'd really like to stress here is the most important takeaway is giving examples. For example, last year we saw a 20% increase. To illustrate this point, let me share a quick story. Summarizing and closing. To sum up, the key points were, I'd like to conclude by saying, thank you for your time. Are there any questions? Handling questions. That's a great question. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll find out and get back to you. The structure is open, signpost, close. Practice each section and you'll feel confident every time. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.